In a quiet town nestled between rolling hills lived a man named Raj. Raj was like most people, a loving family, good job, and a modest home. Yet, despite his comfortable life, something gnawed at him daily. His mind was constantly restless, jumping from worry to doubt, from anger to fear. He often found himself lost in his thoughts, unable to focus, and easily overwhelmed by life's challenges. One day, while walking through the town market, Raj stumbled upon a peculiar shop. It was small and dimly lit, with the smell of incense wafting through the air. The sign above the door read, "The mirror of the mind, find peace within." Curious, Raj stepped inside. The shopkeeper, an old man with kind eyes and a serene smile, greeted Raj warmly. "What brings you here, my friend?" the old man asked. Raj hesitated, but then confessed, "My mind feels like a storm I cannot calm. I can't control my thoughts, and it's affecting every part of my life. Do you have something that can help?" The old man nodded knowingly and led Raj to a dusty, ornate mirror in the corner of the shop. "This is no ordinary mirror," he explained. "It reflects not just your face, but your mind. Look into it, and it will show you the chaos within. But beware, the mirror only reveals the truth that cannot solve your problems. That part is up to you." Intrigued, Raj gazed into the mirror. At first, he saw his reflection, but soon the image changed. He saw himself surrounded by swirling clouds, representing his doubts, fears, and anxieties. The storm within him was laid bare. As Raj continued to watch, he noticed something remarkable. When he took a deep breath and focused on calming his mind, the clouds began to part, revealing a clear sky. The more he focused on peace, the more the storm subsided. The old man spoke again. "The mind is like this mirror, Raj. It reflects what you feed it. If you let your fears and worries dominate, they will. But if you choose to focus on calm and control, your mind will follow. The secret to controlling your mind lies in mastering your focus." Raj left the shop that day with a newfound understanding. He began practicing mindfulness, meditation, and positive thinking daily. Whenever his mind wandered into negativity, he reminded himself of the mirror's lesson. Focus on the calm within, and the storm will pass. Over time, Raj's life transformed. He became more present, more focused, and more at peace. He realized that controlling his mind, it wasn't about suppressing thoughts or emotions, but about guiding them toward a positive direction. The town noticed the change in Raj. He became known as a wise and calm man, someone who others sought out for advice. But Raj always credited the old shopkeeper and the mirror of the mind. He knew that the true power of controlling one's mind wasn't in some magical object, but in the daily practice of focus and self-awareness. And so, Raj's story spread throughout the town, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys to inner peace.